The thing about comp that's different than anything else is that it's regulated by a statute. When you deal with liability claims, that's all case law. And lots of attorneys do liability claims, negligence claims, car accidents, fall downs. Lots and lots of attorneys do those. The guys that do workers' comp, there's probably only about 400 lawyers all over the Commonwealth that actually do workers' compensation cases. So it's a pretty specialized practice. And I'm actually, as Pete said, I'm actually one of the few guys around that does both the liability claims and the workers' compensation claims. If you were asking me, what, how do I handle the cases? When somebody comes into my office, an injured worker, they're usually coming in not because they got hurt at work. They're coming in because they got fired from their job and they were hurt at work.
That's interesting. So frequently people come in after they have been terminated.
That's right.
That's really interesting to me. So they don't come to you for an original comp case.
Well, they're usually getting paid workers' comp at the time that they come in. When somebody gets hurt at work and they miss 5 days of work, their employer is required to notify the employer's insurer that they have an injured worker and that the person got hurt at work. Then the insurer has 14 days to pay or not to pay the case. And if it's a witnessed incident and the person went to the hospital, the insurer usually starts paying the case. They call it pay without prejudice.
They just pay. They don't. There's not really a lot of dispute about.
No, exactly. And then they have 6 months from when they commence paying to discontinue the employee without going in front of a judge. That's why it's called pay without prejudice. The insurer can, for whatever reason they want, terminate somebody's benefits in that first six-month period of time when they're supposed to do the investigation for them to determine whether the person actually got hurt at work.
I thought they were supposed to just pay